Welcome to Best Side Hustles to make $1,000 a month USA for 2026. Get ready to transform your income. Stuck at a $3,000 a month paycheck? Top side hustles can add $1,000 plus extra in 2026 without you needing to quit your current job. 40 million Americans are already doing it. Watch my top 5 proven picks to hit that goal fast. Hey, it's your USA Wealth Builder. Inflation is hovering around 3.2%, bills are constantly rising. But those 9-to-5s just aren't cutting it anymore. Most people try low-pay gigs like surveys, which might max out at $150 a month, and they quickly quit out of frustration. But today we're focusing on realistic hustles that can actually hit that $1,000 a month mark, with startup costs under $100. Today we're focusing on realistic hustles that can actually hit that $1,000 a month mark, with startup costs under $100. Here are the 5 best side hustles for 2026. Pick one, and you can scale it to $1,000 a month in just 30 to 60 days. These are based on real earnings data from platforms like Upwork and LinkedIn. Hustle number 1 is freelance writing, the easiest start. You can write blog posts or emails for businesses on platforms like Upwork. You can earn $25 to $100 per hour, meaning just 10 hours per week could net you $1,000 to $4,000 a month. USA tip: niche in AI prompts or finance for higher pay. Sign up for free and pitch 5 clients a day. I've seen newbies hit $1.2 thousand in their first month. Hustle number 2, digital products on Etsy, a source of passive gold. Sell printables and templates like budgets or planners. Once listed, these can earn $500 to $10,000 a month. Create them easily using Canva, which is free, and price them between $5 and $20. Top sellers report 200 passive sales a month. USA Edge. Tax templates are booming right now. Hustle number 3, UGC creator, or user-generated content. You make short brand videos, think TikTok-style ads. You can earn $25 to $100 per video, meaning 10 to 20 videos a month gets you over $1,000. Use platforms like Billo or Instagram. You don't even need to show your face, just a script and your phone. Viral tip: target SaaS brands for consistent work. Hustle number 4, online tutoring or coaching. Teach subjects like math or test prep on platforms such as Varsity Tutors. You can charge $25 to $80 per hour, and 15 hours a week can bring in $1,500 plus. USA demand is huge for SAT and ACT prep. Setup is free. I heard a story of a teacher adding $1,800 a month working just evenings. Finally, hustle number 5, furniture flipping and resale. Buy low on Facebook Marketplace, clean up or lightly refurbish, and flip for $100 to $400 profit per piece. Selling 3 to 5 pieces a month easily gets you past $1,000. Vintage items are hot in US cities like LA and NY. Starting small is easy. A truck is optional. Now that you know the best hustles, you need to dodge these common mistakes that cause most people to fail. First, stop chasing passive income myths. Every hustle takes about 30 days to build up momentum. Second, never ignore taxes. If you earn over $600 from a single source, you'll get a 1099 form, and the IRS needs its share. Third, don't multitask 5 hustles at once. That's burnout city. Pick one and stick with it. Real talk. Track your hours and aim to clear $30 plus per hour net after any expenses. It's time to take action and stack that cash. Let me know which hustle you're going to start. Which hustle starts tonight? Comment freelance or your top pick in the comments below. I'm rooting for you. Smash that like button if you're leveling up your income, and subscribe for more 2026 Money Series content like tax hacks. Also, grab your free $1,000 side hustle tracker sheet, linked in the description below. Stack that cash. See you next time.